Hello, today I will be showing you how to draw word clouds using the Wordcloud LaTeX package. First, we need to clone this Git repo. This is how you install the package. Git clone and then the link. This will give you a folder called Wordcloud with the Git repo inside of it. And we can go ahead and cd into that folder. You see that there are three files: wordcloud.lua, wordcloud.sty, wordcloud.mp. The instructions say to place these in a directory in your home directory called textmf. So we'll create that. We need to place it into these directories, which are under textmf. So we make those as well. Adding the -p to make dir will make the subdirectories, even if they don't exist. Now that we have these directories, we can copy the needed files. Wordcloud.mp gets copied to textmf metapost wordcloud. Wordcloud.lua gets copied to textmf scripts wordcloud. Wordcloud.sty gets copied to textmf text LaTeX, because it's tech LaTeX. Wordcloud. Now we can open the document that we want to make a word cloud in. I have used package Wordcloud here, which allows me to use this function Wordcloud file, which takes the name of a file, origin of species.txt, and how many words, how many of the top words in that text file should be used to build this word cloud. in the options here, I put that the scale should be 2. So by default, it will make it half the size of what you're about to see. So we use Lua LaTeX to compile the document. Adding word clouds will probably increase the compile time. This is what the word cloud looks like. As you can see, some of the top words are species, which, for, from, and some of the still top but less commonly used words are plants, to, selection. Even the is kind of small, which is surprising. But yeah, this is how you make a word cloud in LaTeX using the word cloud package. Thank you.